Okay, we're going to go into the teacup. So we're going to be doing some movements to get into the capsules of our joints and just kind of make them really fluid. So the teacup is a really good way to do that. We just did the figure eights, right? We did that with the song. But we're going to do that now with our open hand. Pretend you have a teacup in your hand. And you're going to do a figure eight. So you're in the middle of the eight now. You go up, around. Don't spill the tea though. Down to the middle of the eight and down and around and under. Good. Yeah. Okay, let's see how you guys are doing. Let me see. I can see all your silhouettes. Oh, yeah, I see a couple of little tea drop spills over there, but otherwise we're doing good. Okay, good. All the way up and around. Good. Okay, when you're back to the center, just like we started, we're going to go the opposite way. So the fingertips go down towards the belly, like down and around, and it loops over your head like a halo. Yeah. That's easier, isn't it? Yeah, this one is much easier. Good. It's almost, I feel like you're preparing for a magic trick or something, you know? It's like, where is that penny? Good. All the way around, you got it? Good. And when you're back to the center, we're going to transfer the teacup into the other hand. Here we go. Up and around and roll around. Yeah. So this is a movement you probably don't do every day, do you? Probably not, right? But what it's doing, it's making that rotator cuff and all those ligaments and tendons, making it supple and fluid. Yeah. Good. When it gets stiff and hard, then it tears. Good. When you're back to the center, we'll go the other way. Fingertips down towards the belly, around and up and over your head. Good. Up and around. And we'll do one more. And then we'll take both teacups, put them on the tray. Okay? So it looks like this. The tray comes out, out, out. And when you come up, right, the palms are facing each other, you're going to turn them in toward each other like that. Good. And then you're coming down. Remember, you still have the tray. Don't spill. Bring your fingertips in towards your belly button and pull it all the way back until your elbows are almost straight. Good. Okay, now we're going to add the little cat movement. So we're going to inhale, up, 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 and arch and look up. And then we exhale, come all the way down, swirl backwards, and tuck your chin and round your back. Good. Now with your breath, here we go. Inhale fluidly up. Exhale fluidly down. Oh, yeah. One more cycle. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good. Come back to your tray position, holding that. Keep your elbows tucked in really tight and bring it out. Good. Crisscross in, out, crisscross in, out. Hold it nice and tall. Good. Put your hands on your laps, close your eyes, and just feel that beautiful tall posture. You just grew an inch in that. Take a breath and let go. Whew.